Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoge. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm so glad you're here. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you or teaching you how to DIY an ovulation booster. All right, how you can get pregnant, because I know some women does not ovulate, while some women has a low quality egg in their egg reserve. So this DIY will actually help you boost your egg quality and also help you start ovulating for women that are not ovulating and has a low quality egg. I hope you understand me. All right, this recipe is a banger, and also this will also treat any urinary infection that you have as a woman. There's an active infection herbs in this home remedy, and this will also help you how to increase your chances in getting pregnant. I'm going to be telling you 2 things you need to get in your house. Put it in your kitchen and drink this. All right, drink it regularly and see what God is going to do in your life. All right, herbs and roots works wonders. If you don't know this, I'm telling you, just go try it and you thank me later. All right, so the first ingredient you're going to be needing for you to increase your chances in getting pregnant soon as a woman is number 1, Bagarua seed. All right, you need Bagarua seed, which is also called bunny seed. Okay, and the second one is clove. You need these 2 things in your life as a woman. Don't joke with it, especially if you are still at your young age and trying to conceive. Try this to boost your chance in getting pregnant. All right, just find handful of clove and also use your handful of Bagarua, just something like this. You just need to prepare it in smaller portion. Okay, just something like this. And also Bagarua, like 4 pieces to that measurement of clove I just showed you. All right, just 4 pieces. Put it in a bowl, wash it thoroughly till it is clean. All right, so if you don't know what Bagarua is, this is it. All right, this is what Bagarua is. It is also called bunny. All right, so yeah, you just have to put the 2, you combine the 2, put it in a pot or a bowl, wash it thoroughly till it is clean and cook it. All right, cook it till it gets boiled, and you also will see the extraction. You will see the color is changing to like brown. All right, to like brown. So when you get it cooked, you put your fire off, let it cool down. Then you pour it into a jug or a bottle. You can put it into your fridge, and in the morning you drink it before meal or after meal. All right, 1 cup of shinap in the morning, 1 cup of shinap in the evening. All right, and you're good to go. And see how this actually boosts your egg, boost your chances in getting pregnant. And voila, you're going to come back and thank me in the comment section. All right, so yeah, we've come to the end of this video, but before I go, I want to tell you we sell Orishi herbs. All right, so whatever you are going through as a man or a woman, just find a way to reach out to me. I got your back wherever you are in the world. Trust me, I'm going to ship it to you and you're going to love it. I'm telling you are going to love it. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and leave a comment like I always say. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.